Hey everyone. Today we're talking about a crucial but often overlooked part of cybersecurity: roles, responsibilities, and change management. It's easy to focus on the cool stuff like hacking tools and firewalls, but behind every strong cybersecurity program is a well-structured team with clearly defined duties and a rock-solid plan for handling change. Let's start with cybersecurity roles. Just like a movie set has directors, actors, and camera operators, a cybersecurity team has its own cast. You've got security analysts who monitor systems for suspicious activity, penetration testers who act like ethical hackers to find weaknesses, and incident responders who jump into action when a breach happens. Then there are security engineers who build and maintain secure systems, and CISOs, Chief Information Security Officers, who manage the big picture strategy and compliance. Now, defining responsibilities is where the magic happens. Without it, things fall apart fast. Imagine a soccer team where nobody knows who's playing goalie. In cybersecurity, everyone must know their duties: who's in charge of updating software, who monitors logs, who responds to phishing incidents. Clear roles prevent overlap, reduce confusion, and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks. This brings us to change management, the system used to introduce updates and improvements without accidentally breaking everything. Think of it like upgrading a plane's engine mid-flight. You need to be super careful. In cybersecurity, change management ensures that software updates, hardware upgrades, and policy changes are planned, tested, reviewed, and documented. A good change management process includes things like risk assessments, rollback plans, and communication protocols to keep everyone informed. Why is this so important? Because even the smallest changes, like misconfiguring a firewall rule, can open up vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals love to exploit weak points that appear when organizations make rushed or unplanned changes. Change management acts like a safety net, making sure improvements don't accidentally introduce new risks. In many organizations, roles, responsibilities, and change management are not just best practices. They're part of regulatory requirements. Frameworks like NIST and ISO IEC 27001 emphasize them as critical components of a strong security posture. So if you're stepping into the cybersecurity field or studying for certifications like Security Plus, this is a key area to master. Understanding who does what and how changes are safely managed makes all the difference in protecting data and systems from chaos and compromise.